Introduction to Microsoft Office. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of productivity with an introduction to one of the most essential software suites out there, Microsoft Office.
Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to enhance their digital skills, Microsoft Office has got you covered. So let's get right into it. First, let's talk a bit about Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office is a collection of powerful applications designed to help you create, collaborate, and communicate effectively. It's used by millions worldwide. And for good reason. It's versatile, user-friendly, and packed with features that can make your work shine. There are a couple of useful softwares supplied by MS Office. Let's see what are done by these applications. Number 1. PowerPoint. It is used by students, professionals, and millions of people all around the world to make cutting-edge presentations for every type of uses you can think of. Some people are creative enough to even make cool games and animations using PowerPoint. 2. Word. Next up, we have Microsoft Word, the go-to application for word processing. Whether you're writing essays or reports, Word is the tool you need. It has a clean interface, various formatting options, and automatic spelling check to make your documents look professional. 3. Excel. Next, we have Microsoft Excel, a powerhouse for managing data and creating spreadsheets. From basic calculations to complex financial models, Excel's got the muscle. It's also fantastic for creating charts and graphs to visualize your information. 5. Outlook. And of course, there's Microsoft Outlook, the mail client with powerful features to manage your emails, calendars, and contacts. It's an essential tool for staying organized and on top of your schedules. 6. OneDrive. Lastly, let's talk about Microsoft OneDrive. It's like your virtual file cabinet in the cloud. With OneDrive, you can store your files securely online, access them from anywhere, and easily share them with others. So guys, that wraps our introduction to Microsoft Office. We've only scratched the surface of what this fantastic suite can do. Stay tuned for more tutorials, tips, and tricks right here on this channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.